Hey guys, hi everyone. This is Matthew again, and this is our second strategy for today. Today is 24th of December 2025. Happy New Year in advance and Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday. We can't do this without you guys. Thank you all for sharing the videos. Thank you for comments. Thank you for your subscription, and thank you for continuous support. We've been doing this for the past 14 years now. It's 14 years we've been doing this for the past 14 years. We'd like to thank everyone. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you. So here we're going to be trading the Volatility 25 index. We're going to be trading the Volatility 25 index, and we're going to be trading the high low. We're trading the high low, and we're on the D trader with the D trader interface, and we're using one indicator, and we're going to be trading the lower because this thing is facing up. Once it's facing right up here, you're going to be clicking on lower. So I place one trade right there. You can see the stochastic momentum index indicator right there facing up when I click on lower right there. So once you log into your trading account, you go to Volatility 25 index, then you go to the momentum, you click on the stochastic momentum index, then you go to the trade type here. You're going to select higher, lower, set the time frame to 8 minutes, set the barrier offset to plus 1.845, plus 1.845, plus 1.845. So you're going to set the amount you want to stake, and you have to watch the indicator facing right up. Then you're going to click on lower. Remember, you're clicking on lower. So then you have to wait for the time count. Make sure it's facing right up. Make sure it's going up before clicking on lower. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade right there. And for those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator, you can see we're using it right there. It's buy sell indicator. So it works on Deriv MT5, another Forex broker platform that support MT5. We're giving it away for free, and our Pips Cheaper bot and Toscaper bot as well. For those who haven't purchased them, they're automated and they works on Deriv. Pips Cheaper bot is 7.99 USD and Toscaper bot is 9.99 USD. We're also giving away free gifts when you order any of our bots or indicators. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So the link to get the indicator are right here. The link to get the free indicator is there. Follow these steps right there in the video description. Sign up for a free trading account using this link. We're going to copy everything and paste in the video description on YouTube. Subscribe to all our channels. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels, then send an email with the subject free indicator to this email address. Once you confirm your sign up, make sure you add the last 3 digits of your account. Once you verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you. For those who already have a trading account, order the indicator here for $12. And for the Pips Cheaper bot and Toscaper bot, the links to order them are right there in the video description. And this is the link to sign up for a trading account for those who don't have one. There are other infos there. Check the video description on YouTube. Let's get back to the trading. So you can see the current spot right there, and these are time counts right there. This is the time counts. This is the entry spot. So we have 2 minutes 17 seconds left right there. Okay, we have few seconds left right here. Few seconds left. So you can see we won that trade right there. We won that trade. So I'm going to see you guys next year. Thanks for watching.